Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I use these Halloween items from the Dollar Tree to create some really pretty home decor pieces that can be used throughout your home all year round. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For my decorative pillows, I used 2 of these Halloween black and silver placemats, some old sheets that I was not using anymore, and my hot glue gun. So the first thing I did was use my X-Acto knife to cut open the stitch on the side of my placemat. Next, I simply stuffed my placemat with some old pillowcases and sheets that I was not using, and then I resealed my placemat using my hot glue gun. For my vintage style mirror, I used 1 of these skeleton mirrors, 1 of these oval mirrors as well, some gemstone stickers, some silver metallic spray paint that I already had, and my Fix-All adhesive glue gun and glue sticks. So the first thing I did was remove the cardboard center from my frame, and then I gave my frame a good coat of my silver metallic spray paint. While that dried, I used some acetone to remove the skeleton image from my mirror. The packaging refers to this as a mirror, but it's actually just a piece of cardboard with some type of reflective material on top. I then removed the oval mirror from its frame as well. I then used a generous amount of hot glue to attach my oval mirror to the front of my cardboard. I then used my same hot glue to decorate this piece with my gemstone stickers as well. Once my plastic frame was dry, I returned the center cardboard piece back to its frame, and I added some hot glue to ensure that the piece stays in place. I then continued decorating my design with additional gemstone stickers. To complete the project, I cleaned my mirrors, and here was my finished look. And finally, for my gold wall mirror, I used one of the Dollar Tree round mirrors, some of their Halloween hard plastic chains. I used some of these clear acrylic gems, some gold spray paint that I already had on hand, my fix-all adhesive, glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list for all three projects down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the round mirror from its frame. I pushed that frame to the side, and then I began disassembling my hard plastic chains. Next, I used a combination of fix-all adhesive and hot glue to attach some of the links around my frame. If you decide to recreate this project, you'll want to place some wax paper under your design before you start gluing. I'll show you why that's necessary a little bit later on in the project. I allowed my design to dry for about 2 hours, and then the wax paper made it super easy for me to flip my design over, remove the paper, and then add some additional hot glue just to make sure that my links were securely in place. Next, I took my design out to a well-ventilated area and gave it a good coat of my gold Rust-Oleum spray paint. Once my design was completely dry, I brought it back inside and began adding my clear acrylic gems. Once all of my acrylic gems were added, I flipped my design over and I returned the mirror and the cardboard back to its frame. To complete the project, I used my crafting toothbrush to remove all of the glue strings, cleaned my mirror, and here was my finished look. So there you have it, guys. 3 really inexpensive but beautiful home decor items that you can make using items that you can purchase from the Halloween section of Dollar Tree. So hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.